The voltage drop over a given distance of wire can be calculated using a formula. That formula is voltage drop equals the quantity of current in amps multiplied by resistance of the wire per unit length in ohms per foot multiplied by the length of the wire in feet, all divided by the voltage of the source. In the example we are looking at, the current is 200 amps. The resistance of the 4/0 aluminum triplex wire is 0.64 ohms per 1000 feet. The length of the wire is 80 to 90 feet. The voltage at the source is 120 or 240 volts. Using the high end of the length, 90 feet, and the lower end of the voltage, 120 volts, the calculation is 200 amps multiplied by 0.64 ohms per 1000 feet multiplied by 90 feet, divided by 120 volts. The result is a voltage drop of 1.9 volts. The voltage drop itself does not directly affect the electric bill. However, a significant voltage drop can reduce the efficiency of appliances and motors, leading to increased energy consumption and higher electric bills. Upgrading to a larger wire gauge would reduce the resistance of the wire, resulting in a lower voltage drop. This could potentially improve appliance efficiency and reduce energy consumption. To determine if the difference in voltage drop between 4/0 and 3/0 or 2/0 wire would significantly impact electric bills, there are some things that would need to be done. Firstly, calculate the voltage drop for the larger wire gauges. Secondly, estimate the impact of the voltage drop on appliance efficiency. Thirdly, calculate the potential energy savings or additional costs based on the estimated efficiency improvement. While a larger wire gauge can theoretically result in a low voltage drop and improve appliance efficiency, the significance of this difference for a 200 amp service and a run of 80 to 90 feet would depend on the specific appliances and motors used in the home. It may be advisable to perform the calculations outlined to determine the potential impact before making a decision.